waterproofing with socks and t-shirts, and the putty in the window panes had kind of gone, and we made them work. They were in bad shape. And then this fall, a gentleman came by with a flyer talking to us about the windows. They replaced the windows, and there was some wood beneath our windows that had rotten, and they replaced that and put the windows in and caulked around the windows, and then put metal sheeting around the wood that they added. And like I said, I had no clue that they were rotted till the guys took the windows out, and I saw underneath, and I goes, oh my gosh, that's rotten. And they said, yeah, we'll replace that. And they did. But yeah, I didn't know they were that bad. They were nice, friendly, stuck to their job, willing to help me move the desk back. Yeah, they were very nice. Well, we get more light. I can see out the windows because the other ones were kind of diminished because of the pine trees. We've used to operate them. They're a lot easier to raise and lower, and of course cleaning those are amazing because they come inside, so they're real easy to clean, and it's quieter. We have a dip out here, and I don't hear the people hitting the dip, so it's a lot quieter. I would tell them that they're well worth the money, and that they will notice a difference in ability to see out, and then again it's quieter.